fidget toys, so I think I'll make one.
And I have a great idea. We have the fidget spinner made out of Legos.
You fidget with a joystick, fidget with a pencil, and stab someone. Just kidding. You twirl it around and yada yada yada. Your hands. Yup, some people fidget with their hands. And you tap it and snap with it and yada yada yada. A desk lamp. You fidget with a light switch and you hear that clicking noise. It's a thumbs up. The rolling wheel. This is a wheel from a Lego car. They see me rolling, they hating. And you can also use different sizes of wheels, like this. The Millennial Falcon. Yep, got it right.